Is InboxPounds really a great platform to earn some extra free cash online, or is it a complete waste of time? My name is Michael and I have tested hundreds of free methods to make some extra money online, and in this InboxPounds review I will give you an inside look and I will compare it to the many other options I have tested and explain exactly what you can expect so you can see if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So I have now logged into InboxPounds, and at first it can be a little bit overwhelming, but I will explain how you find all the earning methods here and how they work and how much you can earn so you can find out exactly how it works and if it will be worth it. Because if you just take a little bit of time to learn to navigate, it's actually quite easy to start earning here. And let me just reveal right away, InboxPounds is legit. It is actually a platform that will pay you if you do the tasks here. And later I will also go over how you can get paid so you can find out if it offers some payout methods that you actually like. But let's just start by going over the different earning methods one by one so you can see exactly how they work. So the first option I want to go over is these called paid offers or just offers, and you can see there are different categories here, which is actually quite nice compared to many other get paid to sites. When they have these paid offers, it's not always easy to sort around them. Here you can see if you only want the free offers, or if you want new offers and different other things here, because how paid offers works is that you do some kind of tasks. For example, in this case, you can see I would need to download a game and play it, and then I would potentially earn £10. And there are some that will require you to, for example, actually deposit money. There are some, for example, here where you need to do some gambling or something like that, and you just need to be aware of that. And that's why they have the sorting here, so you can also just choose the one that are free. But often the ones where you can actually get paid to deposit something also, if you just choose carefully, they can definitely also sometimes be worth it, because sometimes the reward you will get for it is actually more than you have to deposit. So you just need to look into the terms. So whenever you see something you find interesting, if I, for example, just say I'm only interested in the 100% free offers, I'll just click here. And you can see the different options I have. For example, if I think that I would like to play these Board Kings here and potentially earn £12.50, so I just click here. And then what you need to do is here to be aware exactly what the conditions are. Because you can see here it says I need to reach level 13 within 10 days. So first I just need to put an email or phone number here, and they will send a link to me, and they will of course earn a commission from actually referring us to these games, and that's what they will then share with us, and that's why we can get paid to actually take these offers here. But you need to read these conditions carefully, because if I do not reach level 13 within 10 days, I will not get my reward, and that's very important to remember. And also, if you have any ad blockers or anything like that installed, you will actually not be able to get paid because they cannot track it then. So that's another thing to be aware of. This particular offer, you can see the available devices. I would need to do it on iPhone, iPad, on Android. There are others that are only for desktop. There are some that are for both. But what is important is that you click it and then you read the conditions, and then you will just do whatever it asks you to do. And then also it often says how often or how quickly you will get it, because once you have completed it, it will take a little bit of time to verify it. In this case here, it would be 7 days, and then I would get the reward if I have done everything it asked me to do. But overall, the paid offers inside InboxPounds, you can find some really good options here if you just choose carefully, because definitely not all are worth it, but it can be a nice way to earn some extra cash here. And I do like that it's very easy to get an overview compared to paid offers on many other get paid to sites. So the next option InboxPounds offers is paid surveys, and it offers quite a good amount here, but it will vary from day to day and from time to time, like meaning some parts of the year or during weekends, for example, it does not have so many. But if it doesn't have a lot of paid surveys, then it will have other options, as I showed you before, and as I will also show you more options here. But all you have to do is to then click here and take the survey. You can always see approximately how much time it would take. You can see the estimated time, and then you can see the exact reward you would get for that. So it's also an easy way to actually get an overview and see if you find it worth it. One really great thing about InboxPounds is that if you do not qualify, because sometimes you will not qualify for the paid service it offers. That is just how it is when you take paid service in general. But on InboxPounds, if you do not qualify, you will get this ticket, you can say, or you will get a spin here. And once you have spins, if you just have one spin, you can actually get a chance to win. So you just need to see here how many you have saved. And right now I do not have any. You can see you can have a maximum of 10 saved spins, or sorry, 100 saved spins, but you can only spin 10 times per day. So whether you want to do it every time you get a spin, or if you want to accumulate more, that's completely up to you, but you just need to click here to then use those spins. And then you just spin here, and then you can potentially win up to £5 cash into your account. That is the highest reward. There are also other rewards that will be lower, but this is a really great extra chance to get some earnings, and it takes away some of the frustration that it definitely can be if you do not qualify. So that's definitely a nice extra little touch when it comes to the paid service on InboxPounds. InboxPounds also has something called Easy Cash, but this is basically just featured paid offers. So it's the same as the offers here, it's just some that they have selected they want to feature. So I'm not going to explain that more. I've already explained it in the paid offers section, how you earn with offers like that. So let's jump to this search option, because this is also an option I have not seen on a lot of get paid to site, because you can basically use it as a search engine instead of another search engine, like for example Google. So you can search whatever you want here, like you usually would when you use a search engine, and potentially then earn. But you will not earn every time. You need to do what they call 4 qualified searches, and then you will get a small amount of pounds. But you need to use it naturally. They have a system in place where they can detect if you're just doing random irrelevant searches to try to earn. So you should only use it as you usually would a search engine, and also you need to do it with the right expectations. It's not something that will make you a lot of money. You can earn a maximum of 7 pence per day doing this. So it's not a lot of money you can make like this, but if you have some searches to do anyways, then why not just do it here, and then you can potentially earn a little bit extra. But most of the other earning methods definitely pay more. So let's now go over what you can do with your earnings here. But before I do that, I would really appreciate if you can just take 1 second to like this video here, because it can help it to be seen by more people. And I'm now in the reward sections of InboxPounds, and how much you need to earn to be able to take your earnings out will depend on the reward you actually want. You can see the current rewards, and this does change from time to time. Sometimes they will add more options here, but right now, as of recording this video here, these options are what you have, and you can see they start the cash out from around £20. So it's a little bit high compared to the paid service sites and the get paid to sites that pay instantly or that has a very low payout threshold. But you can find some really good paid offers here on InboxPounds and some really great surveys. So it will not take too long to actually reach the payout threshold. And I also do like the fact that they do offer something like PayPal where you can get paid in cash. And it also has some other great payout methods depending on your preferences. You can find some good gift cards also. So overall, I would say that it has some great payout methods. Personally, I would prefer it if the payout threshold was a little bit lower, but it's still quite easy to reach it, so it's not too bad. And also something to remember is that once you join, you will actually get a £1 joining bonus just for signing up and confirming your email. So that will also give you an easy start and make it easier to reach the payout threshold the first time. So overall, InboxPounds is definitely a legit get paid to site. You can earn here by, for example, taking surveys, searching the web, taking paid offers, and it definitely has some great aspects. It's quite easy to use, and it also pays decently for the tasks you do here. I also really like that they give you this bonus chance of winning when you do not qualify for surveys, and it in general offers great payout methods. However, you just need to be aware that, as the name suggests, InboxPounds is only for the UK. So if you do not live in the UK, you can actually not earn here. But then I have plenty of other videos here with options in many other countries, and I will also leave a link to a playlist in the top corner here and links below where you can find more information about earning opportunities in other countries. But if you do live in the UK, I definitely think InboxPounds is one of the sites worth checking out. And I hope this video helped you figure out exactly how to use it and if it is the right opportunity opportunity for you or not. And if it did help you, then make sure to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.